Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin on a 2-day basis, and we're also going to talk about Bitcoin on a 3-day basis and all of that good stuff, right? So let's dive into the analysis regarding Bitcoin on a 2-day basis, right? So before we talk about the current accumulation phase, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've been talking about since like October, right? So since October, right after we pump above the 21 EMA and MACD crossed bullish, right? In our premium, what we said was like, do not try to short this sucker, because basically whenever we get a bullish MACD, positive MACD, price action above the 21 EMA, we most likely to see some higher, volatility going forward, right, to the upside. So same thing right here. If we just go back and revisit what we said back then was like, it is a flat correction right here. That's a beautiful setup. Price action flip bullish right here on our MACD. We've been looking for we started to look for like a 24k and so on, right? So similarly right here, when BTC was at got rejected at 24k, what we seen was like we got a big rejection all the way down to where, to 43. So we all the way down to 33, excuse me, and basically bought the dip again and took it all the way up to 58, 57k. Once again, 57 to 58, price action got rejected. Right now we getting a potential double top. You can call it a double top, and support once again at the 21 EMA on a 2-day basis, right? So we bought the dip in our premium once again, 43, took it all the way up, guys, to a 57, 58 range, and we said we have to be very, very cautious, because price action, okay, even though we very, very bullish, could create another flat correction once again. Okay, the type of flat correction we could anticipate is like the three-way move down here and retest our 21 EMA once again right there. If you take a look at the 3-day 21 EMA, we haven't retested the 3-day 21 EMA since like when? Since like a 9, 10k, 11k range. So I wouldn't be surprised to see like to see a potential drop all the way down to the 3-day 21 EMA, which is currently at 46. So 46k and 50k area. 50k, it is our 21 EMA on a 2-day basis, right? And 46, it is our basically a 3-day 21 EMA. So the range right here going to be a potential strong support going forward, right, over the next like a few days, right? So we got a beautiful beautiful tweezer top right here, but it doesn't mean we're gonna drop right away. Once again, we just don't know, right, how long it is gonna take to break the support 56, 57 range. So you just have to be cautious, because over the next like 2 days and so on, price action can also create another tweezer right here next to it, which means like price action can pump all the way up to right there, just about like a 61 opening right here. Let's take a look at it. Change it to green. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is like we could potentially see another reversal right here. Even though, okay, we can still drop down to the 21 EMA, we just have to be cautious regarding the price action to flip back up to a 61 before getting rejected once again right here. You can't see it like on a 3-day basis, but on a lower degree you can definitely see it. If you can basically if you pay attention to the 6-hour time frame, it only means like price action can give us a double top right here, okay, on on the lower degree, but you're not going to be able to see it, right, because 3-day time frame is not going to show you all of that good stuff. It's only going to show you a bullish engulfing candle. If you don't know what's going on, you're going to be like, oh, we bullish, we're going to the moon and all of that good stuff, right? And sucker basically could dump all the way down right here. So I'm extremely bullish going forward for BTC. As you know, guys, I've been bullish on BTC since like 11.5 breakout. So we haven't been calling for any lower prices. Okay, all we've been calling is big prices to the upside, like a 75, 85k. That's going to be our next macro target. Any dips down to the 40k, mid 40k, going to be just buy the dip type of a structure. So BTC reaccumulation right here, anything in this range going to be buy the dip. Okay, I'm extremely bullish on BTC. So let's see how we're going to be reaccumulating. reaccumulating right here over the next like a few days and so on, right? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for BTC. Don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join my public Telegram group, link in the description. If you find the content useful, you can also sub to the channel and join the premium group, link in the description also. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.